friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will show you how to cook ground turkey on a frying pan. So we just need ground turkey and a little bit of oil. I'll use olive oil. You can use any kind of vegetable oil. So now let me open up a package of ground turkey. And I'll add a little bit of oil to the frying pan. And I'll add turkey to the pan. And now I'm going to wait until it starts sizzling when the pan heats it through. So let's turn the heat on high and wait till the turkey is sizzling, and then we'll reduce the heat to medium high. So now the turkey is sizzling. So I'm going to break it up. So the pan is heated through. So break up the turkey and flip it over. Now reduce the heat to medium high and continue cooking, mixing every 1 to 2 minutes until it's fully cooked through and no longer pink. So now it's been cooking for about 5 minutes, so there's still some pink, but it's almost cooked. It just needs a few more minutes. So just continue breaking it up and mixing. Almost ready. Let's check back in a couple of minutes and we'll be done. So now the ground turkey is ready. So it took about 7 minutes. It's no longer pink. And now I'm going to season it. Just season the seasoning with a choice. I'll sprinkle it with some salt and pepper. And mix. And it's ready. So I'm going to turn off the heat and take cooked ground turkey off the frying pan. Put it on a plate. Perfect. So here's perfectly cooked turkey on the frying pan, and it was so easy. Now let's try it. Delicious. It's perfectly cooked. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!